Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. You're here at Stock Picks by Tim, and in today's video here, I wanted to talk about Bngo stock. We do have some recent news I wanted to get into, and I'm also going to look at the chart. Now this is one stock that hasn't broken its May 11 lows, which is definitely a good thing, although we're not too far from there. So I'm going to go over some potential levels to the downside you're going to want to watch out for. But let's get into this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you get something useful out of this, and I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the links down below for some free stocks and cryptos. Check out the Discord. If you feel like supporting me and becoming a member, I definitely appreciate that. Working on giving you some worthwhile perks. Now let's get into this and take a look at Bngo. And first off, this recent news regarding Nvidia. I will leave this link down below for you, but this is about Bngo accelerating their data processing solution for OGM or optical genome mapping workflow with Nvidia. And this collab is expected to improve data processing speed, like the title said, while reducing time and cost associated with secondary analysis of OGM data. And this computation platform is designed to enable a small lab and information technology footprint, which would allow for rapid decentralized deployment. So this collaboration aims to develop on-premise and cloud-based solutions to keep pace with the anticipated data generation needs of high-throughput OGM workflows. And I've got a date for you. February 6th to 9, they are going to be previewing this solution with Nvidia at the Advances in Genome Biology and Technology General Meeting AGBT. And we've got some words from Eric Holmlin, the CEO of Bionano. Bionano's focused on continuous upscaling of our end-to-end genome mapping solutions, and we see this collaboration with Nvidia as an important part of that effort. We believe the solution we're developing with Nvidia will accelerate OGM analysis and enable future expansion into areas including CAR T-cell therapy research and bioprocessing, which would open a larger total addressable market. And then the global head of genomics alliances at Nvidia, I didn't even know that was a subsection of Nvidia, had this to say: Bionano's optical genome mapping platform provides tremendous capability for genome-wide structural variant detection, which can have huge impact for cancer research and other areas of human health. By accelerating Bionano's analysis, we will help achieve higher throughput in a smaller footprint at lower cost, enabling the application of this technology to new areas both at scale and in smaller labs. So this sounds like another step in the right direction for Bionano, making an even more efficient product. And next up, I wanted to pull up this. This is their preliminary Q4 results here. And I was on the wrong camera scene, so let's record this again, I guess. Fuck. Bionano Genomics reports preliminary fourth quarter and full year 2022 results. Now, Q4 is expected to be 8.1 to 8.4 million, which would be a record-breaking quarter in terms of revenue, a 29 to 33% increase over quarter 4 of 2021. They did reach an installed base of 240 systems as of year-end 2022, which is a 46% increase over 2021's year-end. They achieved or exceeded all stated goals and milestones for the full year 2022. And as said by the CEO Eric, we ended our outstanding year with a lot of momentum across all facets of our business and have achieved and exceeded all of the stated 2022 Elevate milestones we set out in the beginning of 2022. Bionano issued revenue guidance for the first time in 2022, and we not only came in at the high end of our guidance each quarter, but we exceeded our total 2022 guidance range. We are also pleased to see an incredible uptick in overall awareness and adoption of optical genome mapping OGM across the globe. Now, month over month, this expected fourth quarter revenue is about an increase of 12 to 16% from their 7.2 million reported in the third quarter. And I definitely want to see that revenue continue to grow, continue to accelerate as the installed base of Sapphire systems grows and the flow cells sold. And as for their Sapphire systems, they total 240 by year end, which is an increase of 23 systems over the third quarter, and a 46% increase over the 164 installed systems at the end of 2021. They did sell 4,781 flow cells, which is an increase of almost 50% over the fourth quarter of 2021, and this is recurring revenue. They did complete their acquisition of Purigen, and this is expected to accelerate the adoption of OGM because of anticipated improvements in their UHMW, or ultra-high molecular weight DNA sample preparation workflow. And I do have a statement from the CFO before I get into the chart here. We've been working hard to achieve this revenue growth. We expect to report for the fourth quarter and full year 2022 compared to the same periods in 2021. We believe this momentum has helped to lay the groundwork for a very exciting year in 2023. Now I'm curious, how do you guys feel Bionano Genomics is going to do in 2023? How is Bionano going to do, and how's the overall economy going to do? Are they both going to do bad? Is one going to do good and the other's going to do bad? I personally believe 2023 can be a very great year for Bngo as long as we see accelerated adoption thanks to this acquisition they made of Purigen, and also this partnership with Nvidia, further making their OGM more attractive to potential buyers, being that it's becoming even more of an efficient system. But let's check out the chart here. We've definitely got some supports and resistances to look out for, and like I said earlier, this is one that hasn't broken its May 11 low. Great thing. Now here with Bngo, first off, as a negative, you do want to watch this descending resistance. Towards February, we can potentially break out of it. And our May 11 low is right around 115, so if we do start turning around, 115 is going to be a very crucial level for Bngo, and if it drops under that, we can definitely see a more substantial drop. As for a resistance, I see $2 definitely as a potential resistance, and this just happens to be where the 200 EMA on the 4-hour lies. And this stock has had a nice little run over the beginning of this year. We're going to have an important level to watch that was a support established on the new year, and this is right around 140. But ever since we broke out of this falling wedge, Bngo has been on a nice bullish momentum. One negative, however, is the MACD does look like it's about to curl, turn bearish, and the RSI is falling from overbought. I think the 200 EMA will be very important to watch. And you're also going to want to see that volume kick in. We really aren't seeing very much volume. This run could fizzle out. And for comparison, just look at this volume we had in August 2022. But in reality, where this moves really depends on where small caps go. So you're going to want to watch the overall market and see how small caps do through these times. We know CPI is improving a little bit, but we still have a far way to go. But in my eyes, this is a great time to get into Bngo stock, but just keep in mind that the macroeconomy could push this down once more. But let me know in the comments below how you feel about Bngo. Is it a long-term play for you? Or are you just waiting for some bullish momentum to get in and get out? I definitely think this has some long-term potential. Thanks as always, guys, and have a good day.